So now just a quick unboxing of the Tough-On earbuds. You can see there's the box, pretty nondescript box. A bit more about the earbuds at the back there. Let's pop it open and take a look. So you go, so no frills. It's not surprising with the low price tag with these. Take it out, and in the box you have just instructions and stuff like that in the back. See, and the USB-C charging cable. Let's pop that to the side. So here's the case. As you can see, it's quite a wide case. There's the palm of my hand, but it's quite thin, which is important. So there's a thickness compared to my thumb. They're the lights that show charging. Let's take it open and have a look. So there are the earbuds themselves. Let's pop them out and take a look. Magnetic case, of course. And here are the earbuds. So let's bring it up close. So that's what you use to touch control the earbuds just there. Bring this one up actually. And if you turn it over there, you've got that's where they sit onto the ears, and you've got the speaker just there as well. There's a magnetic clip as well, and you've got the microphone at the front here too. But very light, only 9 grams, and they fit, as I said, very easily into the case if you get the right way around, just like that. As you can see, there's a charging. You put them both in, the charging light will come on. So there, the charging case there. So yeah, so good, all around, nice packaging, light earbuds, and yeah, quite a good little package.